The journey of a premium leather jacket begins on vast American ranches where healthy cattle thrive. The journey of premium leather begins with healthy, well-cared-for cattle, ensuring the finest rawhides. The journey begins as premium raw cowhides are transported to our state-of-the-art facility.
Okay, lift it up now.
Skilled workers begin the intricate process, ensuring
Let's
each
move it
hide
towards
is
the back.
meticulously prepared for transformation. The raw hides enter colossal vats, beginning their rehydration and cleaning journey. This crucial soaking phase ensures the hides are perfectly prepared for the subsequent stages of leather production. Large lining drums begin their crucial work, transforming raw hides for the next stage of leather production. Inside the drums, the transformation begins, preparing the cowhides for their next stage. Each drum represents a meticulous step, ensuring the hides are perfectly prepared. Constant vigilance and expertise ensure the precise chemical balance for optimal hide preparation. The journey of a hide begins with precision, as skilled hands prepare it for transformation. The machine's precision blades deftly remove excess flesh and fat, preparing the hide. From rough raw material, the hide emerges cleaner, perfectly prepared for the next stage. Each hide, meticulously cleaned, advances to the next stage of preparation. Precision is key, as the raw cowhide is guided into the splitting machine. Inside, the band knife precisely separates the hide into two distinct, valuable layers. Each layer, now distinct, represents a valuable component for future leather products. The continuous flow ensures consistent quality, transforming raw hides into specialized leather.
Make sure
Massive
that one goes
drums
into
await,
drum 4.
as skilled hands
Got
prepare
it,
raw
almost
hides
full.
for their meticulous transformation into fine leather. With practiced precision, the pale hides are loaded into the colossal tanning drums. Inside, the hides tumble gently, absorbing essential agents for their transformation.
These look ready for the next rotation.
We should check the pH levels before we load them.
Agreed. Let's get the cart ready.
This technological precision and human expertise ensure every hide is perfectly prepared. The tanning process begins, transforming raw hides into durable leather. Hours pass as the drums work tirelessly, transforming the raw material. Automated precision ensures every hide is perfectly treated. Skilled hands oversee every step, ensuring unmatched quality. Continuous rotation and precise chemical balance ensure deep penetration of tanning agents. With the tanning complete, the hides are prepared for the next stage of transformation. The tanning drums complete their cycle, draining the liquid to reveal the newly treated hides. Opens, revealing the hides transformed into vibrant, wet blue leather. Each pale blue hide is carefully removed, showcasing the meticulous work of the team. Blue hides are now meticulously prepared, awaiting their journey to become finished leather. Skilled hands guide the wet blue hide, initiating the crucial tannery process. Giant felt rollers efficiently press out excess moisture, preparing the leather. Precision and care define each step in transforming raw hide into fine leather. Skilled hands guide the hide, ensuring uniform thickness for the perfect jacket. Precision calibration is key, ensuring every hide meets strict quality standards. Each piece of leather is meticulously inspected, guaranteeing exceptional quality for every jacket. Ready for the next stage, the precisely shaved hides embody craftsmanship. Hides are prepared for retanning and dyeing, a crucial transformation step. Skilled workers precisely monitor the dyeing process, ensuring perfect color absorption. dyeing, hides are ready for fat liquoring, enhancing their softness and pliability. Workers meticulously add oils and fats, optimizing the leather's texture for luxury. Each hide undergoes a final inspection, guaranteeing perfect color, softness, and resilience. Skilled hands meticulously prepare the dyed leather for its crucial drying stage. The stretched hides are carefully positioned, ready for the controlled environment of the drying tunnel. Precise conditions within the drying tunnel ensure the leather achieves perfect stability and texture. Through careful drying, the raw hides are transformed, achieving their desired strength and appearance. Skilled hands meticulously prepare the leather, ensuring every inch meets our high standards. Understanding the natural brain is key to maximizing the hide's potential. With precision, patterns are laid out to ensure minimal waste and superior jacket quality. Each piece is carefully modeled, a testament to craftsmanship. The hide is now ready, perfectly mapped for the cutting stage. Precision cutting begins, transforming raw hides into the essential components of a leather jacket. Advanced computer guidance ensures every cut is executed with unmatched precision and consistency. The dies cut through the sturdy material, creating perfectly shaped jacket components with flawless edges. From raw material, these perfectly cut panels are now ready for the intricate tailoring process. Skilled hands transform raw material into durable power, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Every stitch reflects dedication, ensuring durability and a flawless finish. Precision machinery and human skill unite to form the jacket's intricate structure. From a single panel, the jacket begins to take its distinct form. Each step, a rhythm of controlled motion, builds toward the final garment. Flawless seams are the hallmark of quality, crafted with an artisan's touch. Diverse techniques contribute to the jacket's complex design. With practiced expertise, another jacket component reaches completion. Precision meets material, as skilled hands begin the meticulous assembly. Each stitch reinforces the jacket's integrity, a testament to enduring craftsmanship. The inner lining, meticulously sewn, ensures ultimate comfort and a flawless finish. From zipper to line, every element undergoes rigorous inspection for perfection. With every meticulous seam, the jacket approaches its final, complete form. Every stitch and detail undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring perfection. From raw hide to refined garment, American craftsmanship shines through. Skilled hands prepare the jacket, placing it onto a form for its final shape. Precision, steam, and pressure remove every wrinkle, perfecting the jacket's silhouette. The jacket emerges perfectly formed, ready for its final journey. Each perfected jacket undergoes careful handling, ensuring it arrives flawlessly. Secured for travel, each jacket is now ready to reach its discerning owner.